my fabulous laughter buddies, and welcome to this laughter yoga session. This is part 2 of the session. Please make sure you've done part 1 to prepare your body and mind for the laughter session. If you haven't, pop back there now. If you have, very good, yay! Let's begin. So today I thought that we would take things down a bit. The weather recently around here has been really hot, so we've been spending too much time going so it's time to go down to the water and cool off a bit, slow the pace down. There's nothing, you can't go fast on a canal boat, so that's where we're going. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to begin by safety, because health and safety is always very important, and we need to make sure that we're protected. So we need to put on a lifebelt. The new modern ones are very discreet. They're sort of thinner and lighter. Little bit complicated. If you see here, we've got a strap and a strap and a strap and a hinge and a buckle and a well, anyway, you get yours out, yep, and we're going to put them on, but we'll help each other out by doing it with gibberish. We'll explain what we're doing. Ready? So me pa fori nane body kada hine mudi giri hada mudi giri barba mudini iri pa ha hona pa hine in a hana in a hani hona hona in hana one hand how one hand hana there four so pa ne me put ma de bed of from kids cut for na casa and mums cara cons cara vara that's cara go na for und för det är det här går ska man ha få ha in the part det var hårda ord den till par kids på ingen ha in the ha ho ni får ha det ser färdigt här i snart går här så det får bli det gat här det var det det ord här det men är det men är det för några ord jag har ord kan ha det. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! Okay, now we've sorted out safety, we can begin. So, what do? We have to start the engine. First of all, we have to ask permission to go aboard of the captain. Oh, that's us! We don't need to ask permission, we're in charge. So, we run the boat, we start the engine. You know, they said you just turn the key and it starts neutral. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Oh, it's quite a slow turnover. Here we go, first gear. We'll just gently move. We're using the tiller thing. I'm feeling quite good about it. I think we'll go up a gear. You ready? Oh, it doesn't actually seem to be going any faster. Should we? There's nobody about now. Should we risk going a bit faster? Let's put it up another gear. Let's do it. I still don't see the difference. But we're chugging along nicely, and that's all that matters. Well, it means we disturb the wildlife less, I guess, going at this speed. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! So, whilst we're going along at this pace, it doesn't take too much concentrating to keep going in the right direction. So why don't we sing a song? And of course, it's laughter, so we're going to sing in hoes, he's and ha's. So we're going to sing Messing About on the Water. Ready? You can choose whether you do a ho, a he or a ha, or you can mix it up and add them all in. Are you ready? Well, let's sing. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Hee 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 hee. Ho 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 ho. Hee 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 hee. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. He 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 ho 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 ha ha. Ho 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 ha 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 ha. He 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 ho 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 ha ha. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, yay! Okay. You know what? It's so warm and the water is so inviting. We can't resist just kicking our shoes off and dangling them over the side. We'll let someone else take the tiller for a moment and we'll just slip our shoes off and just dip a toe in. It's quite chilly, but it's worth it. We'll put the other toe in. No, it's okay, we'll be alright. Let's put both of them in. You ready? Lift them out. The more we do it, the more we'll get used to it. Let's do a bit more. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, it's actually lovely. Oh, very good, yay! Very good, yay! So whilst we're sat on the deck with our feet dangling over into the water, we could just take a moment to breathe in the beauty and the calmness of nature. It's amazing how you can be on a canal going through a town and it feels like you could be in the middle of anywhere. They're just like a whole different space. It's beautiful. So let's relax our shoulders nice and wide, opening up our chests. We're going to take 5 nice long breaths. Either close your eyes or just soften your gaze. Keep a smile on your face. And we're going to take 5 nice long breaths. You ready? Breathe in. And out. Making our out breath longer than our in breath to just bring things back and slow down our heart rate. Ready to breathe in and out. Three, breathe in and breathe out. Four, breathe in and out. Last one, breathe in and breathe out. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! Right then, so, I think there's a lock coming up. Woohoo! So the first thing we need to do is moor over to the side. We're sort of in the vicinity of the lock. Or no, actually we're in the lock. So we need to moor to the side, and I have a rope. I know, we'll lasso. We know how to do that. We've been to the ranch. Are you ready? Get your rope. Not quite right. Let's try again. I'll try with my left hand. See if it makes any difference. No, it doesn't work. Let's try one more time. You ready? Very good, yay! Very good, yay! We got the boat moored. Just pull it in a bit. There we go. Right, tie that off. And now we have to use the handle thing, which is called a windlass. My mum told me. And we need to wind open the lock. We're in the lock, we want to let the water in so that we rise up. So we need to wind it open. It's quite tough. Are you ready? Oh, once we get a bit of a flow, it gets better. Oh, it's getting stiff again. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Now watch as the water rises. We're going to do gradient laughter. So we start, well, it's low, with a little low laughter. And then gradually as the water level comes up, turns into raucous laughter as we get to the top. You ready? Very good, yay! Very good, yay! I didn't pick the best spot in the garden. There seems to be a few bugs hanging around here. It's all good, it's all good. So, we have filled up the lock, and now we're gonna chug away out of the lock. With just that pot of the engine. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! And as we now move away along the canal, we can see that just with our gentle chug, nature's really quite happy with us being there. We're really unintrusive in this environment. We're moving along nice and gently, and it's actually a beautiful experience. So we're just going to take a few more breaths and breathe in the wonder of nature as we see the kingfisher, and we see the ducks, and we see the grass snake on the bank sunning itself. All of these amazing things of nature. So, shoulders wide and loose and comfortable in your stance or in your seat. Okay, and every breath you'll feel as you breathe out, you feel more relaxation. You feel your body slowing down. Okay, you ready? So 5 breaths. You ready? 1, breathe in and out. 2, breathe in and out. 3, breathe in and out. 4, breathe in and out. Last one, breathe in and out. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, yay! Okay, so as we continue our journey, it's really quiet here, and we think, do you know what? We could just like have a little swim because it's still really hot, and although putting our feet in cooled us down a little, we're still really hot. Let's do it. So, are you ready? We'll stand on the edge. We'll take the position, ready? And we go, whoa. fun. Let's do it again. Dive into that lovely cool water. Let's do it one more time. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! And since we're in the water, we may as well do a bit of swimming. We do our swimming using our breath, as we would if we were actually swimming. But of course, when the breath comes out, it comes out with laughter. So we're going to do a front crawl. So when we swim with a front crawl, when our face is down forward, we're breathing out. Then we look up to breathe in. I hope you like my technique. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! Oh, that feels so much better. We feel cool, we feel good because we've done a bit of exercise, we're winning. So we've just got a little way to go before we moor, so let's just chug along. Oh, and look, there's a duck with her ducklings. And Mummy Duck goes, ha, 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 ha. And the baby ducks are running behind going, hee, hee, hee. And Mummy Duck goes, ha, 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 ha. And the babies are going, you know it. Oh, they're in the water. Now Mummy Duck's swimming. Ha, 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 ha. And the babies are behind, keeping up. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! Well, I'm afraid that's the end of our canal boat adventure today. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. It's now time for you to go and do a Yoga Nidra, but before we go, we need to make sure we don't waste any of this fabulous love and laughter that we've generated. So we're going to do Laughter Warrior stance. We're going to drag in 3 breaths. 1 that we're going to send back out to the universe, to all those amazing people who are helping us survive right now. 2nd one we're going to send out to people or persons or critters that are special to you in the universe, who you feel personally could use some more love and laughter in their lives. And then the 3rd one we're going to keep for ourselves, because we're worth it. Are you ready? Right. Breathe out. Empty your lungs and drag in all that lovely love and laughter. And send it out to the key workers. And again, breathe in. And send it out to your special people. Last one, breathe it in. And keep it for yourself. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! Thank you again. Please now go off and do a Yoga Nidra to chill you down, to wrap up all of that love and laughter and energy that you've generated during this session, to keep it so that it's ready for you when you need it. I did record a new Yoga Nidra, which is just 16 minutes long, so it's much quicker for those of you who are time conscious, and it's an animal connection one, so think of your favourite critter and have an experience there. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you again for joining me. Namaste.